Hey everybody, it's Eric from the Mature Minded Gamers group. Today I'm going to show you how Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. I'm going to learn this as I learn to edit my videos. So anytime I learn something new, I'm going to do a video on it to show you. Hopefully I can give you a guide to doing the basics. I'm not going to do anything too crazy with it, but first thing I had to learn was how to import my files, which is not as easy as you would think. So once you have Adobe open and you click on new project, you name it, you're going to be looking at a screen just like this. What is it not capturing my cursor? You're going to be looking at a screen just like this. All you need to do is click up here, media browser. It's going to show you all your drives on your computer. You have to locate wherever you put your video files that you. So the one I'm looking for, favorites up here, but it's going to be in my C drive videos. So there's have the video file here. There we go. There are my video files. Once you find the ones that you want to actually edit or mess with, all you need to do I dragged it down to my timelines where I put it. You can also right click on it and hit import. That puts it to your project out. Project, I named this one Outscape files that we imported. There you go. That's how you import media into Adobe Premiere Pro 2020.